College is a mix of excitement and stress. Assignments, endless research, exams, group projects, presentations, the list never ends. But what if you had a personal assistant who never sleeps, works faster than you, and is free or super cheap? That's what artificial intelligence tools are like. In today's video, I'll show you the best AI tools every college student should be using, and why influencers, tech experts, and students swear by them. ChatGPT helps brainstorm essay topics, draft outlines, explain confusing concepts, and even generate practice questions. For example, if you're stuck on what causes climate change, ChatGPT can break it down in simple words, then help you structure an essay. Many student YouTubers call it a study buddy on demand. The key is to guide it properly with prompts. Don't just ask it to write my essay. Use it to enhance your ideas. Grammarly, more than just spell check. It looks at your tone, clarity, and flow. If you write a rough draft at 3 a.m., Grammarly can make it look polished and professional by morning. Content creators often highlight how Grammarly saves them from embarrassing grammar mistakes, especially in emails to professors. Perplexity AI, unlike Google, it gives direct answers with sources. Perfect for when you need quick facts backed up by references. Ideal for research papers. Tech reviewers call it a Google upgrade because it saves you from clicking through 20 websites. Now let's talk about staying on top of lectures and notes. Notion AI organizes class notes, deadlines, and to-do lists in one place. The AI feature can summarize long notes, generate study checklists, or even rewrite messy points into clear study material. Productivity YouTubers call Notion their second brain because it literally holds your entire college life in one app. Otter.ai records lectures and transcribes them in real time. You can highlight, search for keywords, and even share notes with classmates. Students love it because it reduces stress in lectures. You can actually listen instead of rushing to write every word. Quizlet with AI takes your notes and turns them into flashcards and quizzes. It makes memorizing fun and interactive. Many education influencers recommend it as the fastest way to prepare for exams, especially if you're a last-minute learner. Let's be honest. Half of college is showing your work in presentations. Canva with AI Magic Write helps design professional slides, posters, and social media graphics. Magic Write can generate text for your slides, so you don't start from scratch. Canva is everywhere. Design YouTubers say it's a must-have, especially because it's easy to use compared to complicated design software. Gamma.app, a newer tool that builds beautiful, ready-to-present slides just from a prompt. For example, type presentation about renewable energy, and you instantly get a polished slide deck. Early adopters love it because it saves hours, and it looks more unique than standard PowerPoints. DALL-E or Midjourney generate unique, high-quality images for projects, posters, or even club activities. No need to rely on stock photos anymore. Creative influencers use these to make eye-catching visuals that stand out. Time is the most valuable resource in college. Here's how AI can help manage it. Motion AI-powered planner that automatically schedules your day, fitting assignments, classes, and breaks into the perfect time slots. Productivity vloggers say Motion feels like a personal assistant. No more wasting time deciding what to do next. Todoist with AI, a smart to-do list that can break big projects into smaller steps and prioritize them. AI helps by suggesting the best order to finish tasks. College influencers call it a lifesaver during finals week. RescueTime tracks your screen time and tells you how much time you spend on apps. It gives reports so you can fix bad habits. Many call it an eye-opener because you realize just how much time TikTok eats up. Here are a few hidden gems that could completely change your study routine. Elicit finds academic papers and gives AI-powered summaries, perfect for research-heavy courses. Speechify converts text into natural-sounding audio. Listen to readings while walking to class or at the gym. Wolfram Alpha. For math and science students, this tool doesn't just give answers, it shows steps so you can actually learn the process. Here's the truth. AI won't make you smarter overnight, but it will save you time, help you stay organized, and make studying a whole lot easier. Think of it as having a digital toolkit designed to push you through college with less stress. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates. They'll thank you later. Until next time, study smart, not hard.